am so impressed. I have just started taking Mona Thorpe's Achieve Any Goal in 6 Essential Steps. Now, we just did step 1, and this step is about goal writing. Now, being in sales, I have taken lots of workshops and sales courses, and they all emphasize and teach strategies for goal writing. I've learned and done and have worked on many goals in my lifetime. But when I took this course, this first step, Mona taught 15 essential components to goal writing. I never realized that there was so much more to it. But once she started explaining why you have these 15 essential components, it totally made sense now why I didn't totally achieve my goals in the past to the full extent that I really thought I was wanting, or that I did want, and I only got part of it. But anyway, this first step was totally amazing. When I started learning how to write my goals, and I started reading and working with the goal that we put together in this class, I could actually feel myself opening up to having it right now. It was totally freeing because I started seeing almost immediate changes, one in myself. And the thing is things started happening and becoming more available that I had not ever even known were there. When you start changing how you write your goals and you learn these 15 essential components, it changes everything. It is totally amazing. I can't wait to do the next 5 steps and see how much more empowering my life can get with learning these 6 essential steps to achieving any goal.